Hi guys, it's me, Tech Segnar, and today we're diving into a piece of industrial printing tech that's a little different from your usual consumer printer setup. This is the Zebra ZT411 Thermal Transfer Industrial Printer, specifically the ZT41142T010000Z model, and it's a powerhouse when it comes to printing labels, tags, and other industrial applications. If you're someone who needs high-performance printing in a warehouse, manufacturing facility, or logistics environment, this is definitely something you'll want to pay attention to. And, if you want to grab one for yourself, you can check out the link in the description. So, let's start with the basics. The ZT411 is a thermal transfer printer, which means it uses heat to transferring from a ribbon onto a label or other substrate. This is different from direct thermal printing, which relies on heat-sensitive paper. Thermal transfer is generally more durable, making it ideal for long-lasting labels, especially in environments where labels might be exposed to heat, sunlight, or abrasion. Now, the first thing you notice about the ZT411 is its build quality. This is a machine designed for industrial use, it's not some plastic consumer desktop printer. The chassis is solid, rugged, and built to withstand the rough and tumble of a warehouse or production floor. Everything from the metal frame to the reinforced panels feels durable. This is the kind of printer you don't worry about bumping into a card or accidentally hitting while loading media. Speaking of media, the ZT411 can handle a print width of up to 4 inches. That's pretty standard for industrial label printing, but what's impressive is how crisp and reliable the output is. At 203p, it may not sound like a lot compared to your standard desktop printer, but for barcodes, shipping labels, and product identification tags, it's more than enough. The text is clear, the lines are sharp, and barcodes scan without any issues. For businesses, that reliability is critical. Misprinted labels can cause huge operational headaches. One of the standout features here is connectivity. This model comes with serial, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth options. So, whether you're hooking it up to an older industrial system, a network printer setup, or even sending print jobs wirelessly from a mobile device, the ZT411 has you covered. That flexibility is huge for businesses that may have a mix of old and new technology infrastructure. The setup process is surprisingly straightforward. Zebra has done a good job making sure that loading labels, ribbons, and adjusting print settings is as simple as it can be for an industrial device. The media path is clear, the guides are adjustable, and the front-loading design means you don't need to wrestle with complicated panels or configurations. This is especially helpful in busy environments where downtime equals lost productivity. Another thing I want to highlight is speed. The ZT411 is capable of fast printing, which makes it perfect for high-volume applications whether you're printing hundreds of shipping labels a day or thousands of product tags. This printer keeps up without skipping a beat. And it maintains consistent quality even at higher speeds, which is something you don't always see in industrial printers. Now, let's talk about the software and integration side of things. Zebra has a robust set of tools for this printer. From Zebra Designer for label design to the LinkOS environment, you can integrate this printer into complex workflows without losing a lot of time on configuration. If your operations rely on ERP systems, WMS software, or other enterprise solutions, the ZT411 can talk to them smoothly. And for IT teams, that means fewer headaches and faster deployment. Durability is a theme that keeps coming up. The ZT411 is designed to run for years under demanding conditions. The printhead, motors, and rollers are all industrial grade, which means you're not just buying a printer, you're investing in a piece of equipment that's going to stay reliable day in and day out. For a business, that reliability can translate into real savings because you avoid the downtime and maintenance issues that often come with lower-end equipment. One of my favorite things about Zebra printers is the attention to detail. Small features like the intuitive control panel, the clear status indicators, and the easy-to-replace parts all show that this is a device designed with professionals in mind. You can literally see that Zebra thought